Hey guys, TJ here with American Renovation. In today's segment, I'm going to cover the most common problem of laminate flooring installation. Follow me, take a look at it here. This flooring itself was very spongy. That's telling me that the flooring itself was butting up against the wall. So what we did was remove the base molding. We took a saw and cut all the way around the whole perimeter where the flooring was buckling, and we removed a piece of flooring about 3/8 of an inch. At this point, the flooring is already smoothened out, no sponge feeling, and that's telling me that the problem is solved. That's going to allow the flooring to expand and contract as needed, especially out here by the water. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy renovation.